Okay, so finally, how do we name this crazy compound? Well, we already knew that it was heptane and that our parent chain was going to go like this. We numbered from this end 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we had named these and we said that this was a 2-methyl and that this is a 4-ethyl group and that this is a 5-methyl group. Okay, so we have a couple of steps along the way to put this thing in order. Give it a big fancy name. So step 1, we're going to, right here, combine like substituents. I don't want to have to list every single substituent because some of these things get kind of crazy. So I'm going to combine the things that are the same. So I only have to write them once. So I have 2 methyl groups, and what that looks like is we put the 2 numbers together. We go 2, 5, and then you use a prefix, one of our old-fashioned prefixes, not the new kinds that we've just learned, but the regular ones, the di, tri, tetra, penta prefixes to say how many of them there are. So we have 2 prefixes, that is di, methyl. Okay, then we are going to write, let's try this. We're going to alphabetize our substituents. Based on their original prefixes, we're going to ignore this di here. So ethyl comes before methyl. So we have 4, try that again, 4 ethyl, and then 2, 5 di methyl. Okay, and then we're going to link the whole name together. Starting the beginning of our alphabetized substituent list. So we'll write it as 4-ethyl. I need another dash because I'm going to write some numbers. 2, 5 dash di methyl, and then I put the parent chain on the very end of the name. Heptane. So the full name of that compound up there is 4-ethyl 2,5-dimethyl heptane. There's no space in here between the methyl heptane. You always put a dash when you switch from words to numbers or from numbers to words. And then if you have 2 numbers side by side, you're going to separate them with a comma. Okay, I'm going to try one more, especially with something a little bit funny happens with the numbers. I just want to make sure that you can see it. Okay, we'll make it a kind of shorter one and easy. What if I have one that looks just like that? Okay. How long is our longest chain? Conveniently straight across. Okay, that's 4 meth eth prop bute. So this is butane. Okay, and the closest end to the substituents is this end. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We name each substituent. So this one right here is 2-methyl. And this one right here is also 2-methyl. Again, it is a chain of 1 carbon. They're each a chain of 1 carbon, and they are attached to the second carbon of the parent chain. Okay, we alphabetize our substituents. They're all the same, so it doesn't matter. We combine our like ones. So I have 2 two methyl groups, which means what I have is 2,2-dimethyl. Okay. So when I put the whole name together, I get 2,2-dimethylbutane. It's okay to have two of the same number side by side. It says that there are two methyl groups and they are each attached to the second carbon of the butane. Okay, that's all there is to it. Good luck.